How to invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a smart way to build wealth over time, but it's important to understand the basics before you start. First, educate yourself about how the stock market works. The stock market is a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. When you buy a share, you own a small part of that company. Next, set your financial goals. Decide whether you want to invest for the short term or long term. Your goals will help you choose the right investment strategy. It's also important to assess your risk tolerance, how much risk you are willing to take with your money. Then, open a brokerage account. This is an account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many online brokers available today that offer easy-to-use platforms with low fees. Popular brokers include Robinhood, Fidelity, E-Trade, and others. Choose one that suits your needs. After setting up your account, start by researching the companies you are interested in. Look at their financial statements, past performance, and future growth potential. You can also invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, if you prefer a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. Many platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest as little as $5 or $10 in big companies. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can increase your investments. It's important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your money across different sectors and companies to reduce risk. Also, avoid emotional decisions. Stock prices go up and down, and reacting too quickly can lead to losses. Finally, think long-term. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Successful investors stay patient and allow their investments to grow over time. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments when necessary. In conclusion, investing in the stock market requires knowledge, discipline, and patience. Start with a clear plan, continue learning, and invest wisely. Over time, you can grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals.